Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Jeep Commander Limited Sport 4x4. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 98,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 9 miles per gallon in the city, and 12 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.